Ay, sandali lang. Ay, sorry. Okay, I'm home na. So hot sa labas. And I just want to shout out Leia. Sis Leia, our past president, na hinatid ako dito sa bahay. And sobrang thankful. Today was a blessed day. And of course, I was so happy to see all the members, all the past presidents, all the new members, directors, officers, district officers, district governor, past governor, lahat po guys nandun po sa kanina sa event. And thank you. And sa sobra kong happy also because I won this. Ito, i-unbox ko na rin to. Laki-laki oh. Sobrang laki. Para siyang hula ko. Anong hula mo? Oh. Yan. Para, let's see. Laki eh. Pili ko gas stove to. Gas stove nga. Double burner gas stove. Sayang naman yung gift wrap. That's so guys. It's a stainless steel double burner gas stove. KS3 CTD. And hindi ko na ito bubuksan guys. Matic naman to. Ito po yung itsura niya. I will just give this to my sister or to my brother. Yan po. So, ang laman po sa loob, ganon din. Hindi ko na bubuksan. And yon. Kaya, ang ibibigay natin, ito na lang sa harap. Kasi naka-gift wrap pa siya. Diba? So, dito sa likod, ito po yon. Ito po. And then, of course, meron pa akong binigyan ng payong. I don't know from, ano po itong brand. Okay. I'm sure, ano po yun, from one of the company na sponsor. And of course, may chichirya din ako. This will go to Cesar. Kasi hindi ako mahilig sa chichirya. Okay. Kay Chihuahua Vlogs ko. And of course, yung kaninang suot ko. And of course, kanina yung suot ko ng mask. Ito. Yan. And then, ito sa hotel, before we sit down, we have tissues and sanitizer. Yan. And then, of course, yan, cookies. O-top to eh, O-top. Lalagay ko sa ref. And ito, cookies. Brownies. Yan. And then, sanitizer again. Yan. Mayroon siyang keychain. Something new. And, hindi ko alam, parang tea ito. Lalagyan ko sa kitchen tea. Okay, tea. So, ito sa'yo na to, Chihuahua. Ito sa'yo na rin. Ito, ilagay sa kotse. Ito, yung yung tea sa kitchen ko ilagay. And then, gamitin ko na lang ito. And then, meron pa isa na vitamins. It's a grape seed. Yan. So, ito lagyan na lang sa ref din. No? Sa ref. Sa ref. Ilagay ko dito. That I have attended, and I'm so glad. Hindi lang so many things. I met a lot of people there, mga officers ng government. Sa ibang vlogs naman yun, abangan nyo guys. Ang dami kong content this time because from the time I left from the time that I left here to going to the place with my past president Ellen, and then when we reached at the Diamond Hotel, and the event, and yung mga guest speaker, and hanggang pauwi ko dito. Yan guys, thank you so much. shout out sa inyo, Rotary Club of Malate Prime. Thank you so much.